Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get stuff in and out of the oven from a wheelchair. So working with the standard oven here, at least from what I'm aware of, this is what most ovens are like, at least in America. And we're making some pizza here for lunch. Looks really good. So typically people will stand off to the side or stand right in front of it while they're putting stuff in. I like to stand or sit right in front of it, and depending on, the first thing is you check back of your hand or something, see how hot it is. It will be kind of warm, so if you're wearing pants, these are sweatpants, they're a bit thicker, so that'll insulate me from some warmth, so I can let my knee or something touch it and I won't get burnt for the amount of time that I'm here. And if you have shorts on or something, you might not want to touch it, so just be aware of the heat there. And you're going to want to be far back enough that you can open it enough, right, so it doesn't hit your leg. And it's probably a good idea to put your brakes on as well, because if you move, you could lose your balance and then like accidentally touch a hot part of the oven, so you don't want to do that. And now I'm always paranoid about my forearm touching that, so I'm always careful about that. What you can do is you can either like touch the top here and put it in. That might be bad because this could also be hot up here. I just do one hand, reach in, lean over, and I'm grabbing the wheelchair here to hold my balance to pull me back. Slide it on in. And there you go. Now it's in. Now when the piece is done, we'll come back and I'll show you how I'm taking it out. I'll be using an oven mitt. It'll be a lot more hot. And I'll see you then. Alright, welcome back. Pizza's done. Now, before I showed you that you open it like this and you can have your leg touching the actual stove front, or you can have the handle rested up against your leg if this is close enough, because you do have to reach the counter or something to put whatever you're grabbing to put it down. So there is this method to go in and grab it. Of course, in this way I'm facing, I use my right hand. Now another way to do it is if you want to go to the side, you can go to the side. Now there's some disadvantages here. One, I'm further away, and put on the brakes here. You can open the oven door a lot more, so that's nice. And I have it resting here up against the chair. So I put it in one way, I'm going to take it out another way just to show you. This way, you could hold the chair and then lean over, but I think what I would do is I put my hand up here, that way I can have the leverage over here, and then I'm not stuck like this. I can lean forward more, and I can use this hand to kind of control my upper body. So, grab it, and then, for me, I put stuff on top of the stove top. I'm pretty sure everyone does that, or most people do. So, that's where I'm putting it. There we go, in and out of the oven. Nice and easy. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, then you're probably already subscribed. But if not, then now's a perfect time. Be sure to leave a comment on any future videos that you would like to see, and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Share it with 1 billion people, maybe 5. Whatever you'd like. See you in the next one.